Welcome to A Nomadic Chef. For those that are brand new here, my name is Brad. I've been a chef for the last 20 years in some of the most prestigious resorts around Australasia. But now I am sailing throughout Asia, learning about new foods and new methods of cookery. And I'm here to share it with you. On today's episode, I'll be taking you through the Borneo jungle to meet wild orangutans and to cook sambal made from fermented durian. So buckle your belt and grab that whip because I'm taking you on an adventure. The climate here is humid and hot. It's crazy. It's a pretty cool experience, I tell you. The mosquitoes, they're crazy as they're just buzzing around. Like you can hear the constant hum of the mosquitoes. Yeah, this is pure jungle. This is pure jungle, all right. This is really, really cool. So day 2 of jungle river trekking. It's pretty awesome. Well, not trekking because we're just on boat. We've had this massive breakfast of pancakes. Like the pancake was like that fat. And yeah, the river's super nice. It's calm. Mosquitoes last night weren't so bad. We had a mosquito net. This morning they were buzzing around me a bit, but we've got heaps of bushnings. We just need to see how the day goes, and I believe we're going somewhere today. I believe in some more orangutans, and we're looking for some different types of primates. The change in the water, so we've changed in the intersection and the water's brown here and then it's black as. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, so Aria was saying that the water is black not because it's dirty, because it's pure clean, and the entire, yeah, it's really clear, and the entire river used to be like that, but what's happened is all the mining, gold mining and the palm oil production has destroyed the quality of water, and that's why it's brown, muddy brown now. You can just see the difference as well. Like it's clear. You can actually see the bottom, even though it's black. You can see the bottom of the lake or the river. Sorry, but it's the reason it's black is just because it's the water is actually a red color from it's the high in iron. Is that correct? The soil's high in iron. That's why it's that color. So yeah, it's the reason why the soil's got lots of iron in it. It's really, really quite amazing. I've never seen water like this. Truly is so stunning here. It really, really is amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. The sounds, the smells, the way it looks. It is. The station that we're at, the second day, so we're right in the heart of the jungle now, which is fantastic. It's got this nice boardwalk that we're on, which is amazing. And yeah, we're looking for more orangutans today. Yesterday we saw the orangutans. Oh, it was so impressive to be around. Like, it's, I don't know, there's something about these sort of animals, these wild animals, when you're around them, they're just so magical. It's just amazing to be around. There's so much natural food, bush foods here. It's just insane. A lot of it's out of season though, so unfortunately we're not getting a chance to try it. But there's the rambutan, which I just tried there.
To try it.
So what's it called?
Karamunting.
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 Okay. Yeah, it's delicious. It tastes like a guava. It would make a really beautiful jam or coulis. It's not overly sweet, but I imagine just with a little bit of extra sugar or glucose put in it, it would be absolutely fantastic. It'd be amazing. What other fruits do we have here?
We have like jungle mango, durian,
mosquitoes.
Well, swimming at sundown. Just my meat.
And you're saying that you eat crickets here too sometimes, eh?
Yeah.
We'll try. I think they're out of season, or are they out of season now?
No, it's there is some fruit left.
The crickets are out of season.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can't try crickets, unfortunately.
All right now. back now. Relax. Let your mind unwind.
Okay, so that was pretty cool. We got to see a little baby orangutan and a mother orangutan. Just they were eating some bananas in the bush. It's pretty jungle, that's for sure. Yeah, so it was pretty cool to see them. And now we're just going to head back to the boat, and then we're going to go to the third feeding platform and try to find some more of them. There's some other primates on the way, which is pretty cool. We're going to go see them. There's these monkeys, I've forgotten the name of them, but there's these monkeys with like a real funny nose.
The proboscis monkey. The males have by far the biggest noses of any primate.
Walking through this is like hardcore obstacles. This is full on jungle. And I believe that we're going to be making another type of soup tonight. And we're also doing a nighttime jungle trek to go find some nocturnal animals. So another wild fruit that we have been introduced by our guide is called Orangutang, and what it is, it's this hard black shell. It's really, you sort of got to bite open with your teeth. It's like a nut, but inside it's got this nice brown fruit, and it's quite dry. And when you eat it, it's sort of like eating like candy floss, where it just sort of dissolves in your mouth. The taste of it is like sweet and sour. It's like a sweet tamarind. It is absolutely delicious. I can't stop eating them, but they do make your tongue sort of itchy if you eat too many of them. We're going downstairs to the kitchen to try to cook it. We're going to have a look at cooking fermented durian, which is a sambal. It's a sambal here. The motor down there is really noisy, so I can't really speak down there. But the smell of that durian is just incredible. It's got that really nice sour fermented smell to it, and then when she fries it in the oil, it just that aroma just really punches the back of your nostrils, man. It's fantastic. It smells like a really sweet wine, how the fermented durian was made. This is the final product. Okay, let's try this durian and see what it's like. I'm going to try it by itself first, and then I'll try it with some rice. Oh wow. Oh yum. It's like, oh wow, that's so strong. It's like a soya sauce, except sweet and fruity. We've also got a vegetable dish here, some corn and some beans. We've got some prawns, we've got some pineapple, and we've got some noodles and some rice. It looks like an amazing lunch. Every bite with that durian sample is a new discovery. There's just more flavors and more to discover with it. It's truly fascinating. That sambal is worth the 700 nautical mile trip we came just to see these orangutans. So that is just worth it alone, let alone seeing the orangutans. They're amazing too. Day 3 of the jungle, whoa, slippery floor. This is day 3 of the jungle trek. At some point today we're going to go see a local village and go have a look at what they live like. And then we'll be heading back to the boat again around about 2 o'clock today, and looking at the weather and organising some diesel and water and bits and pieces, and potentially departing in the next couple of days for back to Lombok. Anyway, I've got to put this camera down because this boardwalk is ridiculously slippery, and look at the wood. Like, it's just so worn. There was major bushfires here in 1997 and 2003, and it burnt down huge amounts of hectares of this rainforest, and they're trying to replant that back again. Oh, look at this butterfly. Quick note, stop.
With my beautiful butterfly wings. I'm gonna go find me some butterflies.
Whoa, he's too fast. The majority of the fires here, the bushfires here, are caused by illegal poachers trying to poach deer. They light fires to make it easier to poach, which is super uncool. We're going to go plant a tree, and we've got these little black plaques. That's my tree there. And what's the name again? Natru. And the reason I picked it is because it's the least planted. I put my name down as a nomadic chef. So if you come here, try to find it. Dare you to. If you wish to join in the donation buzz, follow links below. Don't forget to subscribe.
So yeah, now we're leaving Kumai. We're about a day into our sail now. But we're sailing back to Lombok because we've got to renew our visas there. We are on a social visa where we need sponsorship, so it means that we need pretty much to know someone like a friend to sign for our visa forms. And in Lombok we've got lots of friends who've spent so much time there over the years. So we've got people that can just sign the forms, it's just easier. And then from there we've got to find a job because unfortunately the funds of sailing have run out. So we'll be going back to most probably Australia.
If you're still watching this video, you are an amazing human being. But that's the end of the video. Leave a comment if you like. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.